17-year-old girl appeared in juvenile court this morning denying the charge of gross vehicular manslaughter in the crash which took the life of her best friend. 10 News following the new developments in this case, and reporter Melissa Masiha live in Kearney Mesa with the possible punishment the girl faces. Melissa.
Hi, Bill. Well, the hearing for Megan Ruiz ended a short time ago here at juvenile court. Ruiz is also recovering from her own injuries. She appeared today in a wheelchair. Now, investigators say at the time of the crash, Ruiz was speeding. She was also not supposed to be driving with any teenage passengers. Megan Ruiz and Brianna Erickson, best friends who grew up together. But a drive on Sabre Springs Parkway May 28th changed everything. Investigators say Ruiz, who only had a provisional license, was driving 4 other teens, including Erickson. The car veered out of control and slammed into a truck. Erickson was the only one who died. While the victim's parents support the law, they did not want their daughter's friend to be charged. Instead, they wanted others to learn. They spoke publicly shortly after the accident.
We know kids will be kids. And I guess that goes into that judgment thing. And I think a poor decision was made.
Today, Ruiz heard for the first time the charges against her, among them gross vehicular manslaughter. Despite the serious charge, her attorney said the goal is to rehabilitate, not punish.
We're dealing with kids, and to a certain extent, that is something that the probation department has to evaluate.
Attorneys could not speculate on possible outcomes of the case, but the prosecutor did mention some options.
There are a variety of options available in a juvenile case. It's very different than an adult case. For example, the court could place her on informal supervision. The court could grant a deferred entry of judgment, which is basically an admission by the minor to the charges. In return, she would be placed on probation for a period of time.
A tragic crash changing the lives of 2 families, with one mourning the loss of a young woman they'll never see grow up. And state law says Ruiz was not allowed to drive with anyone under the age of 20 in her vehicle. Reporting live in Kearney Mesa at Juvenile Court, Melissa Masiha, 10 News.